Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use BitMart for beginners. BitMart is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, first create an account on the BitMart website or mobile app by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your identity through the Know Your Customer process. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraudulent activities and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. You will be required to provide identification documents such as a passport or driver's license, as well as proof of address. After verifying your account, you can deposit funds into your BitMart wallet using various payment methods such as bank transfers, credit cards, or other cryptocurrencies. Make sure to check the fees associated with each payment method and choose the one that best suits your needs. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies on BitMart, navigate to the trading page and select the desired trading pair. You can choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Use the order form to specify the amount you want to buy or sell, and set a price limit if desired. It is essential to understand the different types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Market orders allow you to buy or sell at the current market price, while limit orders enable you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Stop-loss orders help you limit potential losses by automatically selling a cryptocurrency when it reaches a certain price. To ensure a safe and secure trading experience, BitMart offers various security features, including two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage. It is crucial to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. In addition to trading, BitMart also offers other features such as staking, lending, and voting. Staking allows you to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies, while lending enables you to earn interest on your deposited funds. Voting gives you the opportunity to participate in decision-making processes and shape the future of the BitMart community. To stay up to date with market trends and news, you can use the BitMart mobile app or website to access real-time price charts, market data, and news feeds. You can also set price alerts and notifications to stay informed about market movements. In conclusion, using BitMart is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and security measures. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on the BitMart platform. Always remember to do your own research, set clear goals, and manage your risk to achieve success in the cryptocurrency market.